Finance Minister Mthuli Ncube grilled over $114 million road project mystery. MP Mutsiyami demands answers on unbudgeted 26 million spent for Harare interchange. Tsana pina mashoko obuda panguva ine tiona Finance Minister Mthuli Ncube ayo panguva ino achiuya achipisiwa achitostewa nekorostewa aiwa panguva ino panoonekwa kunzi otadza kupindura kunzi 26 million yakafamba sei. Loti bo subscribe like out on the bell icon. Tipina pana we interchange pana papobuda mnyika mchinzi. Zimbabwe's Finance Minister Professor Mthuli Ncube was on the defensive in parliament after being grilled by opposition MP Prosper Mutsiyami TCC over ballooning cost linked to the construction of the Mbuzi traffic interchange, a project now confirmed to have consumed at least $140 million up from originally announced 88 million. During a heated exchange in parliament, Minister Ncube revealed that 26 million from Zimbabwe's IMF Special Drawing Rights (SDRIs) was used as a deposit to unlock a contractor-led loan arrangement of 88 million, but confusion erupted over whether the 26 million was part of the 88 million or in addition to it. Pressed by MP Mutsiyami and MP Wajela for clarification, Ncube confirmed in quotes, the 26 million is in addition. It was a requirement for accessing the 88 million that we pay that deposit that caused the budget to go beyond what was initially budgeted. Ncube attributed the cost overruns to unexpected escalations and relocation of residents, describing the overruns as normal in large-scale infrastructure projects. Cost overruns are never planned upfront. The cost of relocating families was quite onerous, he said. However, Mutsiyami raised alarm over the sudden appearance of a 26 million expenditure not initially accounted for in the approved budget. In quotes, how do you just add 26 million to an already budgeted amount? How do you account for that? He challenged. Observers say the revelation of the blended financing model, tapping both public funds and opaque contractor loans, raises serious questions about transparency, debt sustainability, and accountability in Zimbabwe's infrastructure rollout. Minister Ncube urged MPs to view the project as money well spent, hailing the interchange as a world-class infrastructure model for replication, yet with no public audit yet released, and costs still possibly rising. The controversy cast a doubt on the government's handling of critical infrastructure financing amid growing economic hardship and shrinking public trust. Ndo zviripo mhuri yeZimbabwe zvamuri kunzwa inzvi vana Mthuli Ncube vachitadza kupindura bvunzo yavari kubvunziwa vozongoya vachingoti aiwa musatya musawara, this is a world class infrastructure model. Panguva ine achinyaradza aiwa maMPs ari kudanyatsa kunzwisisa pain additional 26 million yakangoedhiwa from Norway. Ndinakuma section medu mudzimafunguro enyu mutikudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndinakuma section medu musana subscribe or like, which on the bell icon.